Hello everyone, this is Sri Guru over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve some numericals on the basis of kinematic equations. Okay, here I have written two problems. Look at the first problem. A car travels from A to B at a speed of 20 km per hour and returns to A at a speed of 30 km per hour. What is the average speed? First he asked to calculate average speed. Second, average velocity for the whole journey. Okay, now see here, this is the first point A and this is the final point B, right? So the car is traveling from A to B, right? Let us consider the distance between A to B is S. Distance between A to B is S. When the car when it is moving from A to B with a speed of how much? 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. When it is returning from B to A, then C, car velocity is how much? 30 km per hour. Correct. First, he asked to calculate the average speed. Let S be the distance between A and B. Let S be the distance between A and B. Let T1 be the time taken to reach B. Time taken to reach B. That means the car time take to reach B from A to B. Right here, from A to B, that is time T1. Correct. Now we know the velocity V1. Velocity is equals to distance divided by time taken. Velocity is equals to distance divided by time taken. Correct. Then what is the time taken now? Time taken is equals to distance divided by velocity V1. Is it correct? Right? Note down this. And distance is how much? Yes. And V1, velocity is how much? 20. Keep it as it is. Kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, T2 is what? Time taken to reach A. Time taken to reach A. That is from B to A. Correct? B to A. That is T2 is equal to, once again, the distance remains the same, yes only, and V2, that is S divided by V2 is how much? 30. Okay. Now the average speed. AV speed. Total distance divided by total time taken, that is average speed is equals to total distance is how much? First from A to B, that is S, plus from B to A, once again it is S only, whole divided by total time taken T1 plus T2. Is it correct? Further simplify this. S plus S is 2S, whole divided by t1 is nothing but what? S divided by 20. S divided by 20 plus t2 is what? S divided by 30. S divided by 30. Now further simplification, just here I will write here, that is 2s whole divided by, take s common, one side the bracket, it is 1 divided by 20 plus 1 divided by 30. Yes, yes, get cancel. Correct? Now further simplification, AV speed, AVS means AV speed is equal to 2 divided by, first cross multiplication, 30 plus 20 divided by 30 into 20. 30 into 20 is 600. 600 into 2 whole divided by 50, that is average speed value is, after the simplification we will get the answer 24 kilometer per hour. Correct? And the last what he asked, second, the average velocity. Average velocity, that is displacement. Displacement divided by time taken. Displacement is how much? What is the displacement? It is the final point minus initial point. Final point and the initial point is the same. Therefore, the total displacement is 0. 0 upon anything is what? 0 only. Therefore, its average velocity is 0. Correct? This is the answer. Note down or take the snapshot of this board. Okay. Now look at the second problem here. The displacement, it is given in terms of meter. Displacement is given in terms of meter of a particle moving along x-axis is given by x equal to 18t plus 5t square. Calculate first instantaneous velocity at t is equals to 2 seconds. First we will discuss about this. Okay. What he asked to do, given is displacement x. X equal to 18t plus 5t square. Instantaneous at t is equals to 2 seconds. At t is equals to 2 seconds. For that velocity is equals to dx by dt. It is instantaneous velocity equation. Instantaneous velocity equation is v is equals to dx by dt. X is already given, differentiate it. V is equals to d by dx of, in the place of x what is there? D by dt. dt of 18t plus 5t square. 18t plus 5t square. Then v is equals to 18 is constant. Differentiation of t, that is dt by dt plus 5 is take it out from the differentiation. Next dt square divided by dt. Correct? Next velocity is equals to 18 dt by dt. Apply the rule differentiation of x raised to n. right? N x raised to n minus 1, differentiation of x with respect to x. In the place of n, here what is there? 1. If nothing is there, we have to take 1. 1 t raised to 1 minus 1. 1 t raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is what? 1. 1 into 1, 1. Correct? Therefore, dt by dt is 1 plus 5 into t square is there. In the place of n, what is there? 2. 2. t raised to 2 minus 1. Correct? v is equals to 18 into 1, 18 plus 5 into 2, 10 into t raised to 1. Correct? But what he asked at t is equals to 2 seconds. At t is equals to 2 seconds. Therefore, velocity is equals to 18 plus 10 into 2. Simplify this. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 18. 20 plus 18, 38 meter per second. This is the answer. Note down this. Next, he is asking to calculate average velocity between t is equals to 2 seconds and t is equals to 3 seconds. That means average velocity v is equals to delta x divided by delta t. This change is very large. Therefore, I have taken here delta x divided by delta t. Instantaneous means at a particular instant of time. But here what he is asking is the average velocity. That means that displacement is very, very large. First we have to take the equation x1, or we can write this as x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1. Correct? x1 is what here? 18 t plus 5 t square. Right. In the place of t, first substitute 2 seconds here. Right. x1 is equals to 18 into 2 plus 5 into 2 square. 36 plus 5 into 4. 5 into 4, 20. 20, 56. 56. Is it correct? Next, similarly, x2 is equals to 18 into t. In the place of t, what should we write here? 3. Okay. 3 plus 5 into 3 square. Simplify here. This one is how much we will get. Simplify this. Okay, the value of the simplification x2 value is 84. 18 into 3, 54 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, I'm sorry, this is 9. 45, and the answer is how much? 99. Okay, right. write now v is equals to x2 is how much? 99 minus x1 is 56 divided by t2. T2 here is 3 seconds minus t1 is 2 seconds. Then it is 9 minus 6 3 9 minus 5 4 divided by 1, that is velocity is 43 meter per second. 43 meter per second, correct? And the last is asking instantaneous acceleration. Acceleration is equals to dv by dt. dv by dt. And we know that v is equals to dx by dt, and that is d by dt of 18t plus 5t square. Already we have did this. 18 plus 10t. 18t plus 10t. Therefore, this is v. D by dt of 18 plus 10t. This is 10 meter per second square. Meter per second square. This is the simple, just directly right here 18 plus 10t, 10 meter per second square, right? And this one is 18, differentiation of any number is 0 and differentiation of t is only 1. 1 into 10 is 10, therefore it is meter per second square. Remember, or take the snapshot of this board first. Okay, so see here another problem I have written here. A car moving at a 20 km per hour is subjected to a uniform retardation and brought to rest in 70 seconds. Find the retardation and the distance travelled by the car before it comes to rest. Okay. Then what should we do? Just think of it. First, convert this car initial velocity u. U is how much? 80 kilometer per hour. Convert this in terms of meter per second. For that, 80 into kilo. Kilo means 1000 divided by kilometer divided by per hour. Hours, convert that into seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Simplify, you will get the answer of how much? 22.22 meter per second, right? This is initial velocity of the object. What we need? Subject uniformly retardation and brought to a rest. It's a final velocity. Final velocity is 0 because it is brought to rest, right? Therefore, final velocity is 0 and t is given. It is in a 70 seconds. We need acceleration first. For that, I will use the formula v is equals to u plus at, right? Now we know the initial velocity. Car is moving with a velocity. That means its initial velocity. Already we have calculated 22.22 meter per second, and its final velocity is 0 and t is 70 seconds. Okay, just first substitute. V is equals to 0 is equals to u. 22.22 plus a into 70. Correct. simplify the value of A. A is equals to 22.22 divided by 70 minus. Okay, after the simplification, the acceleration value is retardation value is 0.3174. 0.3174 meter per second square. The answer is minus, because that minus sign indicates the acceleration is retarding acceleration, decreasing acceleration. Next, what he is asking, the distance traveled. For to calculate the distance, I will use s equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. S equal to initial velocity is how much? 22.22 into t. T is how much? 70 plus 1 divided by 2 into acceleration is 0.3174 into t is 70 square. Simplify, we will get the answer of this one is minus 777.7 meter. Simplify this, you will get answer 777.7 meter. Okay, this is how we use kinematic equations to solve the problems. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will continue. Okay, thank you.